Crunchy. Is it Chewy?
Very good.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. At sa mga bago pa lang po, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para maging updated sa mga bagong videos. So, ang lutuin natin today ay coconut macaroons. Okay, ito na po yung mga ingredients. Sweetened coconut flakes, 14 ounce. 2 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 1 can condensed milk. In the first bowl, we are going to bake the eggs. So we only need the egg whites. And then we're going to add the salt and vanilla extract. Right, in the second bowl, we're going to combine the coconut flakes, the flour, and then the milk. Then, paghaluin na po natin. And then the egg whites. Paghaluin lang natin ng mabuti. At lalagyan lang natin ng parchment paper yung pan natin para hindi siya didikit. At imumul lang natin to. At pwede din tayong gagamit ng mini cups. Alright, tapos na po natin nailagay po sa pan. Dito sa mini cups. And we're going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, after 25 minutes, luto na. Wow, it smells delicious. Wow, it looks perfect. Okay, at iti-transfer lang po natin sa plate. Like this. Okay, at ito na po yung coconut macaroons natin. Ayan. Guys, here's our coconut macarons.
And it's tequila time. My favorite time.
Yes.
Yep.
So fun.
Here.
Crunchy and chewy.
Very good.
Is it chewy?
Very good. Moist. Low crunchy like they're supposed to be. Coconutty.
Yeah.
Raw.
Yeah, okay guys. I-try nyo rin to.
Lami.
And I'm sure magugustuhan ito ng mga anak niyo, okay? He said lami.
Lami.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.